Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a new informative video. Let's start the video without wasting your time. Today my video topic is best online websites. Let's start the rewarding word of money earning websites. Earning money online has become an attractive option for students who like to get some additional pocket money and homemakers who want to utilize their free time efficiently. Some individuals choose to earn cash across various websites rather than office jobs, which involve commuting long distance and long hours of working. Digitization has made it possible to earn extra money online through it has become a permanent source of revenue for some. Several online money earning sites center to div- diverse segments of society. Some are knowledge based, while others are based on travel, hospitality, academies, entertainment. Each earning website has its guideline, and individual who get associated with them are required not to branch any of those roles. It is not an easy way out to earn more cash. You have to be dedicated, spend enough time online, and ensure you have the right skill to execute tasks and move forward. Some activities that help you generate income online include freelancing, affiliate marketing, conducting online surveys, and even blogging across different subjects. Podcasting has become a very lucrative source of earning income, which also involves choosing suitable topics to for the audience's interest. How can I generate income online? The internet has permeated our lives and has become indispensable to us, from shopping for everyday necessities to holding conference calls, making travels reservations, and even studying. It now provides multiple opportunities to enjoy a second income stream. However, you have to make sure the website are legged before becoming associated with them. Given below are multiple rewarding options whereby you can generate income online. Online teaching, if you possess the right kind of skills required for teaching, you can start online interactive course in subject you are adept at. These could include school and college subjects, corporate skills, soft skills, finance and craft skills. You can even create content and courses for different levels until the final stage when individuals become familiar with the subject matter and are ready to put their skills into practice. I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification about my next informative video.